Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. We are discussing about 9th standard English medium Sociology, chapter number 2, continued part of Socialization. In the previous session, we get the information about meaning of socialization, functions of socialization, agencies of socialization, in that family, peer group, religion. So let's come to the remaining agencies of socialization and other important topics we are going to get in this session. The fourth one, agency of socialization, school. The role of school is very crucial in the socialization process. In schools, the child is not only influenced by the teachers but also by its friends and classmates. The role of school in the socialization process is a significance because the child learn the social behavior, knowledge and experience of the child are moulded by the process of the education. The concept of subconscious capacity of the children is also developed. So school will extend his or her life and make them ready for social life. Especially the role of teacher in the socialization process of the child is very crucial. Various positive aspects that find expression in teachers like good behaviors, equality and goodwill get reflected in the children as well, because the children are imitating a lot, so that whatever the characters of the children, teachers will be directly influenced to a child. This enables children develop love, cooperation, tolerance, co-living, mutual respect and other various values in their life will be learned in the place of school. Also, apart from this, teachers need to motivate children to take part in various co-curricular and extracurricular activities of the child. So not only the concept curriculum, what they are having the syllabus, apart from that the co-curricular activities, co-scholastic activities of child is also developed in the place of school. And the next one, mass media. In modern world, the social media also works as the important agency of socialization. The mass media such as radio, television, movies, films, newspapers, magazines utilize literature extensively. Even due to corona, as we are using as much as possible the part of mass media. Dear children, just the mass media or whatever the gadgets we are using, just they are gadgets. But the usage that is in our hand, either it is for negative or positive, right way, wrong way, it is in our hand. So that keep it in your mind, just those are all the devices. It's a thing, either it is a mobile, either it is a systems, just they are the things, everything operation, it is left out to in our hands. So that keep it in your mind, usage of mass media as well as gadgets in your hand. So use in a right manner. Human beings are deeply influenced by advertisements, radio programs, stories, novels, television serials, dance, drama, music, posters, and important statements by the popular persons. So these are all directly influenced to the people with the help of mass media. News, quiz, introductory talks, discussion, programs introducing various important places and others help the viewers to develop good personality. So that mass media are playing a very important role in the life of the child. Similarly, programs of academic interest facilitate better social behavior among the people. And the next sixth one, neighborhood. Neighborhoods are the families which reside close to your family. I can say this in my word, who are called as the neighborhood. The people, those who are share their sorrow and sorrow. In this, a small community having the characteristics of a large community. By the namesake, we can call it as a small community, but the role and its influence in a large community of a child life. Obviously, neighborhood is small in size. Here the people are related to each other. People help each other in many ways. The influence of neighborhood is found both in rural area as well as urban communities. The people of neighborhood live like the members of the same family by sharing their happiness and sorrows. That is the reason, as I told, neighborhood, those who are share their sorrow and sorrow. But whereas neighborhood people help each other in festival, fair, marriage, religious rituals and other programs. But when compared to here, neighborhood relationship is much stronger in rural communities than in urban communities. There will be a strong bonding, strong relationship in rural area when compared to urban area. So these are very important concepts of social agencies of socialization like school, mass media and neighborhood. Let's come to the about gender and socialization. Gender and socialization. We already know that socialization is a very essential for all human beings. The socialization process is not same in all the families. The customs, rituals, educational level, desires, tastes, needs, etc. of the parents influence the socialization process. Because of this, parents teach variously about values, customs and practices knowingly or unknowingly to their children in the process of socialization. But especially the concept of gender and socialization we can see more in number in the Indian societies, Indian communities. Here we can identify some of the examples. Like example number 1, we can find differences in the reaction of the parents when the boy comes to home late after playing. Imagine when a girl child comes too late, Usually, the parents just welcome the boy without asking anything. But with the girl, they cautiously warn her for coming late. See, my dear, should not come this much of late. You have to come early before the sunset. So these are the warning words, harsh words used on girl by the parents. In the same way, let's come to the how in the second example. Especially in India, the parents expect a girl should help their family in kitchen and in other services. That is the expectation. But they don't expect this from the son. In the same way, they provide cricket bat to the son, whereas dolls to their daughter. Here, expectations and providing the things, they are going to be bifurcate the things. Playing things like cricket bat, these are all for the boy. Dolls are for the girl. So such kind of differentiations we are going to be identify in our Indian societies or in communities. So here the process of socialization generally difference on the basis of their gender is called as differential socialization. So this is the concept about how the differential socialization. But nowadays, modern complex society, the status of women is prominently changing. We are going to be identify. Those are all the changes from country to country and time to time. The nationalist and democratic perspectives, new economic policies along with modern education have liberated modern women from dependency in present India. These are all some of the changes it has been brought in the life of the women. Now the women are also getting some rights which were exclusively meant for men only. Like women are also getting the job opportunities in mining, steel factories and in many other fields like medical, law and research at university levels, factories, army, manufacturing of war equipments, etc. So these are all the equalization, somehow brought the gender equalization. The socialization process is important from the view of equality and equal opportunity. The implementation of equality concept after independence and the efforts by the governments for the education of girls have brought in many changes. The development of urban area and economy along with changes in social perceptions have contributed a lot towards achieving gender equality. So this is about the concept of gender and socialization. This is about the today's session. I hope you have understood till now what we have discussed. If you are having any doubts related to this lesson, you can comment in the comment box. I will solve your doubts. I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.